Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of website creation. If you've always wanted to make your own website but thought it was too complex or time-consuming, think again. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to create a stunning website in just 10 minutes. So grab your notepad, because we're about to get started. Step 1. Choose your platform. The first step in creating a website quickly is to choose the right platform. For this tutorial, we'll be using WordPress, a user-friendly and powerful content management system. Simply head to wordpress.com and sign up for a free account. Step 2. Select a theme. Once you've signed up, you'll be directed to the dashboard. Click on Appearance and then Themes. Browse through the wide variety of free themes available and choose the one that best suits your website's purpose. Step 3. Customize your website. Now it's time to personalize your website. Click on Customize under the Appearance tab. You can change colors, fonts, upload your logo, and even rearrange elements on the page. Don't worry, no coding skills required. Step 4. Create your first page. Click on Pages and then Add New. Give your page a title and start adding content using the user-friendly block editor. You can add text, images, videos, and more. It's just like working with a word processor. Step 5. Add essential plugins. Plugins enhance the functionality of your website. Click on Plugins and then Add New. Search for plugins like Yoast for search engine optimization, Contact Form 7 for a contact form, and Jetpack for security and performance enhancements. Install and activate them with a few clicks. Step 6. Publish your website. You're almost there. Preview your website one last time to ensure everything looks great. When you're ready, hit the Publish button. Congratulations! And there you have it, folks. In just 10 minutes, you've created your very own website from scratch. Remember, this is just the beginning. You can continue to add more pages, blog posts, and customize your site as you go. The key is to get started and let your creativity flow. Final tips. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips. Regularly update your plugins and themes for security and performance. Create valuable and engaging content to keep your visitors coming back. Don't hesitate to explore more advanced features as you get comfortable with website building. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Happy website building, and we'll see you in the next video.